What is going on, everyone? My name is Jason, and these are the best apps for the iPhone XS Max. So it's been a little over a month since picking up my iPhone XS Max, and truth be told, I'm really enjoying this phone. I made a comprehensive review on my experience up to this point. I'll throw up a card in the corner in case you guys want to check it out, but wanted to focus today's video on some of my favorite iPhone apps for the month of November. Now, links to all these apps will be in the description below, and definitely let me know in the comments of any other apps that I need to check out, especially if they're particularly good on the XS Max. Now, before we get into the review, if you're into checking out the latest consumer tech products before you buy them, or if you're just a tech head like me, I make a video like this every single week, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell icon so you can be the first to know when a new JSL review is out and you don't miss anything. That being said, let's get into these apps. Okay, first up, hands down, one of the apps I use the most, especially during these sleepless Techtober months, is the Starbucks app. Now, if you're an avid Starbucks drinker like me, and for whatever crazy reason you don't have this app, you need to fix that right now. The app allows you to maximize your Starbucks experience through a well-designed, easy-to-use iPhone XS Max optimized interface. You can either link or set up a Starbucks reward account if you don't have one already, which is awesome because you gain stars every time you purchase something, and you could redeem them for like free food and drinks. You can easily replenish your Starbucks card using Apple Pay, which is really convenient. And of course, the best reason to have this app is that you can order your drinks or food from your phone, pay through the app, select the store in which you want to pick it up, and once you get there, you don't have to wait in that dreaded line like everybody else. Just go to the drink pickup area and your drink will be waiting for you. Skipping the line is seriously the best thing ever, and you feel like a VIP every time you have your drink ready as soon as you get it. And plus, the app makes it super easy to customize your order to however you'd like, adding shots, flavors, even changing the type of milk. It's intuitive and easy to use, and I swear, once you use it once, you'll never understand how you lived without it. If you're into Starbucks and you don't have it, trust me, download it now and you will thank me later. Okay, next up, I honestly don't game too often on my phone, mainly because I never have time to, but when I saw this app, the nostalgic side of me just couldn't resist, and that's Tekken. Quite possibly one of the greatest fighting games of all time. I was thrilled to see it come to iOS, and man, I was legit impressed at how amazing the gameplay looked and felt when I first loaded it up. Testament to how powerful smartphones are becoming, the mobile version of Tekken looks almost exactly like how the game would play on a pro console. The graphics are incredible, and the beastly A12 Bionic chip on the XS Max allows for a buttery smooth gameplay experience, and with the game being optimized to fit the entire 6.5-inch OLED display, paired with a much improved stereo speakers, truly makes for an immersive gaming experience. And if you're an old school Tekken fan like me, you're gonna love this app. Definitely check it out. I think there's a strong argument to say that the iPhone XS Max is probably one of the best smartphones for gaming right now. And if you guys know of any other games that I need to check out, definitely let me know. Okay, next up is an app called Surrett, who also happens to be the sponsor of today's video. And Surrett is one of my go-to apps for all those wallpapers that you guys keep asking me for. Y'all know that I'm all about making my phone look as dope as possible. And what I love about Surrett is that it has a ton of super high-res wallpapers that are all optimized for the XS Max that is really easy to navigate and totally free. All you have to do is swipe left to shuffle through the various images, and the best part about the app is that you get to see what the wallpaper is going to look like as the previews take up the entire screen. You can search through the recent additions or by category, and man, all these wallpapers look so dope. And once you find something that you like, all you have to do is press this little download button and bam, it's saved to your photos. Now, there is one caveat to this app, as some of the premium wallpapers indicated by this crown icon in the corner here will either require you to pay for the premium version of the app, or you can watch a short video in which afterwards you can download it for free just like the others. Honestly, it's a small price to pay considering how nice these wallpapers look, and I'm giving you fair warning. You're going to flip through what seems like an endless sea of awesome images, and you're gonna end up downloading a ton of them. If you're one of those folks who wonders where I get all my wallpapers, definitely check out Surrett, you won't regret it. Okay, last up, one of the apps I've been using a ton lately, and that's Overcast. Overcast is a free podcast app that gives you access to a ton of the most popular podcasts out there today. And full transparency, I wasn't into podcasts before, but someone recommended that I check out this app, as well as some podcasts that he listens to, and dude, it's been non-stop ever since. What I love about the Overcast app is that it was super easy for a podcast noob like me to access an entire ecosystem of amazing podcasts, and once you subscribe to them, you have access to all the latest content, as well as the archive of past episodes in which you can pick and choose the ones you want to download. The app allows you to listen while the phone is asleep, which is great if you listen in the car like I do, or if you like to podcast while you work out, which I know is really popular. And since picking up this app, I've been immersing myself with episodes of The Daily, The Joe Rogan Experience, and one of my favorites, Casey and Candace's Couples Therapy. And seriously, let me know in the comments what podcasts I need to start listening to, because I feel like I'm just scratching at the surface of what's available out there, trying to get some good recommendations. That's about it for the short review. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it really helps me out. Remember, the links to all the apps reviewed are in the description in case you guys want to snack them up. And in case you missed it, I did an unboxing and an initial review on the absolutely stunning product red iPhone XR. If you guys want to check that out, I'll leave a link to it in the description, and I'll throw it on one of the end cards in case you guys are interested. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Stop living in regret. Stop my heart, listen to my head.